Are you aware that for YouTube to suggest your videos, there are some things that you need to do yourself, which is going to help YouTube algorithm to start recommending your videos to more audience for you to start getting views. And if you don't do these things, it's going to hinder you from getting views. And maybe these are the reasons why you are not getting views, you're not getting watch hours, and you're also not getting the subscribers which you deserve. Even if you create content that you put all efforts, all works into doing this content, but because you did not turn off these settings, that is why you are not getting views. I need you to go to the YouTube studio after you finish watching this video and turn these settings on. Okay, and these settings are settings that you might know them, but you are not turning them the right way. You're not, as in you didn't put them the right way, or you're not putting them the right way. That is why you're not getting views. But if you do it the right way, which I am going to be showing you in this video, you will start getting views, and you will start getting the subscribers, and you also start getting the watch hour which you need to monetize your channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking to watch this video. My name is Rachel. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you've not done so already. Before you upload a video, make sure you fix these three settings so that YouTube can start recommending your videos to a wider audience. You might know these things, like I said before, but you're not doing them the right way. That is why you're not getting views. Okay, the number one is playlist. Playlist is very, very important. You might think that it is not that important, but for your videos to start getting recommendations, you need to create playlists in different dimensions. Okay, and the second one is your end screen. Okay, end screen, and also your end card. These three settings, you need to go to your YouTube studio after watching this video and turn off these settings if they are not on. Okay, because, or turn them on. Okay, because this is going to help you get more subscribers, more views, and more watch hours. Create different playlists for different topics. It depends on the niche you're in. For example, you are into YouTube niche, you can create playlists like how to get views, how to upload videos. You can also, if you're in the lifestyle content, okay, you can also create playlists on contents like day in my life. Okay, you can also create playlists like days in my life, morning routine, evening routine. You can name your playlist, you can give them different names. Okay, and this playlist, when you do these things I'm going to be telling you in this video, you will start getting views because you implement them, you did them the right way. Okay, but if you don't do them the right way, you will not get those views which you deserve. So right now I'll be taking you to the YouTube studio to show you how to implement this. Okay, how to do your playlist. In case you don't know how to create one, I will show you how you're going to create one, and also how you will start using them. So when you're on YouTube, you click on your profile like so. You're going to scroll up and you're going to see this sign here, playlist. Okay, so this is playlist. I did click wrong. Okay, you click on this plus sign here, and when you click on the plus sign, it's going to tell you like create a new playlist here. Okay, or you're going to write your title. For example, let's say I want to create a new one. I just say YouTube how to create let me just say, okay, how to cook. Okay, for example, I just write how to cook. Make sure you do this on public, because if not, it's going to be on private. Okay, you now click create. You're finished creating your how to cook. Can you see that? So you finish creating the playlist. So this is how to create playlist. All right, so now that you know how to create playlists, you can create multiple playlists, and this is going to help you to get suggested, and you'll be able to get more views. So the second one is your end screen. End screen is what shows at the end of your videos. Okay, so right now I will take you to the YouTube studio where I'm going to show you how you can implement this the right way so that you can start getting views. Now there are two ways you can actually do this end screen stuff. Okay, yeah, because you need to like use the desktop form. Okay, when you want to as in put your end screen. For example, you're using your phone, you might not know how to do this. I have a video which I already show you how you can use your phone to go to your dashboard, okay, because this is only done from the dashboard or the desktop phone. I also have a video where you can also do it from your laptop. You can check them, or I'll leave the screen here, okay. You can also check them, as I will leave them in the description box. So right now I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. Click on YouTube like so. After you finish clicking on YouTube, click on your profile picture. What you want to do next is you click on this sign you're seeing here. You click on it and you scroll and you click on your data in. You click on this. Okay. So right now what you want to do next is you're going to, I'm just going to touch the screen so that's going to be. So what you want to do next, you're going to click on this, your videos. So after clicking on your videos, you wait for it to come up. So when it is up, you're here in your studio. So this is your desktop form, okay, where you can start doing everything. So now this is my dashboard. I'll click on my profile, then I'll click on YouTube Studio. Okay. So you click on your videos like so. These are my videos. So I'll look for one of them. Let me just look for one that I will use as an example. Okay, so let's see. I want to use this one. All right, I clicked on it. So this is it. And this is where you're going to be seeing everything. I just try to get it where. Just want to show you. So this is the part where you want to add your end screen, okay. Yeah, so this is this part you're seeing here. You just click on it. When you click on it, you wait for it to download. Because I already added mine, okay, let's say I don't want this one again. I don't even know if it's going to work, but this is it. All right. Yeah, so yeah, this part you click on plus, okay, the video. Here you can add playlist, okay. Let me bold it. So here you click on, okay, so you can see for the playlist you can choose. Oh my god, I wanted to choose let's go back again. Click on it, click on playlist. So this is playlist here. You can choose to add a playlist. I have my playlist, okay. This is YouTube playlist. All right, this is this one. Let's say I want to add that playlist. You see, because I already added it, that is why it's showing like this, okay. But if you don't want to add playlist, you can click on it. No, you can remove, okay. I removed. Click on it again. Now this is the part again. You click on this one, you can see this part. These are the videos. Oh god, click on the elements. So you click on video. When you click on video, you can choose any video that you want here, okay. This part, you choose any video and you can, after choosing it like so, you come here and save it. Because I already have mine, that is why it is like this, okay. I don't have a video that I just finished. So right now this is it. I remove it. All right, yeah. So that is how you can add your playlist, and you can also add your end screen. You can see the playlist that we just added is saying YouTube tutorials. All right, so for you to add, you can also add like I told you guys, you can also add playlist, okay. So when you click on it again, there's also, you click here, you can add channel, you can add subscribers, you can add your link. This is the part you can do all these things, okay. So because I've done this before, that is why it is like this. So guys, the third one is your end cards. Okay, these are my videos as usual. I'll just click on any one of them and show you the end cards, which I click on this video. Okay, so I clicked on that video and it's going to take me here, and I'm going to show you. So this is the last one here. Okay, this is the last one. You just click on it, end cards. Okay, and when you click on it, you're going to wait for it to come up. Okay, so when it comes up, you're going to come to this part. Okay, click on it as usual and just brought wide the screen. So when you click on this part like so, you see video, playlist, your channel or your link. So you click on video, you can also click on channel. So for the video, you just come and you can choose any video, okay, which is going to appear at the end of your video. Okay, so let's say I choose this one. All right, I will come here. Make sure you always come here to save it. I will come here, this part, to save it. Okay, you see. So let me show you again. So you come to this part, you click on your cards. Okay, when you click on it, what you're going to do, you now scroll this way. You can add up to 5 cards. Okay, so right now I already have some that I added like 3. So I'm going to add another one. So I click on, let's say I click here, and I'll go and click on my cards. I will click on video, or you can also click on your channel, or you click on playlist. You can click on anyone. So I click on video. So right now I'm going to choose the video which I want. All right, so you choose any video that you want. So let's say I choose this particular video. Okay, it's going to appear here, this place you're seeing here. So right now I'm going to move it. Okay, and make sure I save it. It's very important you save it. Okay, because if you don't save it, the end card is not going to come. So you save it. If you do all these things that I just showed you in this video rightly, like I showed you, you're going to start getting the views, the subscribers, and the watch hour. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Do also watch the videos that will appear here and also in the description box. I'll see you in my next video. Help me to share. Bye, ciao.